Okay guys, welcome to another video on my channel. This video is another video on the Python tutorial series for beginners on my channel. In this video, as I said in the last video, we're going to be building a basic calculator with the if else statement. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight into it. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to define three variables. One is going to collect the first number, the second one is going to collect the second number, and the third one is going to collect the operator. That means whether the person wants to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And then we're going to use the first statement to check the operator and then perform the arithmetic. And let's define the first number as num1 equals input enter. Let's tell it to enter first number, and let's just copy this and then paste this here. Let's say num2, and let's tell user to enter second number, and then let's also define operator, and let's tell the user to enter operator. Now let's make sure to make this integer so we don't get any funny error, because we are dealing with numerical values. Make sure to always change your numerical values to integer so your program doesn't see that as a string and print out some error. Now let's just run this to make sure that it's printing all those. And it says we should enter first number. Let's enter 5, and let's enter addition. Okay, that's good. It's not doing anything yet, but we'll do that in a minute. Now just close this. Let's use the if statement. Let's say if op is equals to plus, then let's say print your answer is 2 plus 3. Sorry, let's say print your answer is num1 plus num2. Now let's run that to check it out. Now let's say 4, then 4, then let's put plus as operator. Okay, now what it did, it said type hello cannot concatenate string. Okay. The problem is that we want to perform an arithmetic operation, then I don't think we should print this. The only thing we should print is num1 plus num2. Now when we print this, no more errors. Let's say 7, and plus. You see that it gave us 14. Let's go straight into the remaining operators. Now this is where we use our elif op is equals to minus. Then what we are going to do is print num1 minus num2. And let's just copy this quickly. Command C. Let's paste that, and let's also paste that. Now elif is op is equals to multiplication. Where is that? Okay, then multiply the 2. Then if op is equals to division, then divide the 2. Else, if they put an operator that we don't know, let's just say invalid. Let's print invalid operator input. Now we have a fully working basic calculator. Let's test it out. Let's enter our first number. Let's say 20. Let's say we want to divide 20 by 5. And let's say we're dividing it. This is 4.0. You see that's good. That's still 4. And then I think we should convert this to integer, the answer to integer, so that it doesn't give us 0.0, it doesn't give us a decimal. I want it in an absolute value. Print this and this. We can do that for the rest, but let's just test it out. Let's say we have 7. No, let's say we have 8. I want to divide it by 2. You see, I use us 4, it doesn't give us 4.0 again. Now that's how to build a basic calculator with if-else statement. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please press the like button and please subscribe. I really appreciate that. And then press the notification button so you get notified when I drop a new video. And if you have any comment, if you have any question, drop it down in the comment below. I'll answer all questions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.